YouTube, what's up? It's your girl Diaz. It's been kind of like a crazy day. There was flurries again, but I wanted to let you know last night, and this is just real quick. What, baby? Last night I woke up at like 6:30. I heard a saw going off. It was kind of like somebody like pulled the trigger, and it was just like, and then it went off, like you know how a saw does. So when I went downstairs to see what it was, now I don't have no saw or anything plugged in or anything like that in my house. It's actually in a box, put away until I need it. So when I heard it, first, whenever I woke up, let me rewind that real quick. When I woke up, like I jumped up and I seen my cats running up the steps. And I'm like, okay, like they heard it too, so that's why they ran. So I immediately, I came downstairs and I'm like, okay, like I'm looking around, nothing. Like my door down here is locked. So what was it? Like I don't know. And it was crazy because like I watched this paranormal show. It's Paranormal Survivor. And in there, the guy had it kind of looked like a little saw. It was only like that round. It was like a buffer kind of thing. But he had that and another saw that was just sitting on like a table in his garage. And all of a sudden they both just started going off out of nowhere. And they had said that was because there was some form of a spirit in the house. And it kind of caused a lot of confusion and had him leave and everything like that. Like, not me, no, I don't think, one, I don't believe in ghosts. Two, I do believe that there are, I'm saying spirits, but, and I had a conversation with another person that, we both agreed that if you hear like creaks and movement in your house, how do you know that it's not someone from a different realm in your house at a different time period? It could be way in the past, whatever. But it's in your same exact house, moving. But to them, your noise, they're hearing your noise and you're hearing theirs. If it kind of makes sense to you. So it's kind of like different realms you can be in the same exact spot because you're in a different realm. Obviously, it's a different time. So it's kind of crazy. I said somebody could have been using a saw. I apologize, this cough. Somebody could have been using the saw at that time here last night, well, early this morning. But it could have been a different time period for them. It could be later in the day, whatever. So just wanted to jump on and tell you guys that it was kind of creepy. Not scary creepy, but just kind of like weird. I don't scare very easily. It was just that I jumped and I was just like, oh my God, like, did you, like, I'm saying to myself, did you hear that? And I know I wasn't dreaming because I remember I seen the cats running upstairs. So I knew I was awake. But yes, so kind of creepy, kind of weird. But comment below and let me know what you think. And then like all my videos, of course, like all my videos. Quick shout out, Laura Lee Blair, Rosella. Thank you so much for all the comments, the love, and I give it right back. Stray 57 Productions, always been a supporter. I always support his stuff. Big Bay Day, I really enjoy watching his videos. TNT, I like watching his also. Like I said, it's kind of like everybody has a variety of videos. Everybody doesn't have, like if everybody talked about the same exact topic, YouTube would be boring. So you kind of want to have different elements that you listen to. So that way, it kind of keeps YouTube alive. So big shout out to all them people. I love you guys, along with all the other subscribers that I have. Any followers, new subscribers, hit the bell for notifications, subscribe to my channel, like my videos, comment. Like I said, good or bad, I don't really care. I'm not with the drama, so peace.